Hello everyone, wherever you are. In today's recipe, we are going to make vegan red split lentil soup with potatoes and carrots in instant pot. It's a quick, healthy and delicious, and this is a winter dish. I have here a slide for you. It has all the benefits of each of the ingredients. We need for this recipe 1 yellow onion, 1 medium potato, 12 small peeled carrots, 1 cup red split lentils, 1 yellow fresh lemon, 4 cups water, 5 teaspoon canola and olive oil, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Any kind of salt is fine. We peel the onion. We chop the onion. We peel the potato, clean it under the water. We slice it and then we chop it into cubes. We cut the carrots into small round sizes, round shape. I buy it already skinned and cleaned. It comes in a package, in a nylon package from the market. I take the edges of the lemon and I half it and squeeze the juice. I make sure to take out and throw away the seeds. Lemon is good for cold and it's good for kidneys. Get rid of the kidney stones. The carrots are good for the eyes. In this recipe, I use instant pot. It has functions. I use the saute first, then I cancel, then I use the soup function. I put the oil first, then the onion, then I saute for a few minutes. Until it's tender and soft. I clean the lentils under the water a few times before I use it. After the onion is tender and soft, I use the lentils after I clean them under the water. I use the sieve. Then I add the 4 cups of water. I stir the lentils and the onion in the water. I add the cubed potatoes and the carrots and cumin powder and salt. and stir it a little bit. Then I add the lemon juice and stir again little. I cover the pot. I put into seal. I cancel the saute function and I put it on soup function. This will take 30 minutes. It's already set for 30 minutes. When it starts working, it stays on, and then it goes to 30, and when it's done, it goes from 30 to 0, and it will be done. And that's how it looks like inside the pot. And that's how it looks on the table. I suggest you can use this in the winter. It's good for you. Bon appetit. Enjoy the recipe. You will find more information about this recipe in the description box below this video. If you like this video and this recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to receive my new videos. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again in a new video with a new recipe with Naja Shukair, stay safe and healthy. Bye for now.